Okay, today I'm going to talk about what's a probability. Probability looks similar for everyone. But before I prepare this presentation, if someone asks me what's a probability, I would say probability is probability. It's nothing. So what's a probability? Sometimes easy words is hard to interpret. First, I would like to say uncertainty is everywhere. Except the scientific laws, in almost all aspects of our daily life, we face uncertainties. And we need to make a decision when we face uncertainties. I can show you some examples for the decision-making examples with uncertainty. Maybe we need to decide whether we need to bring an umbrella tomorrow. We need to decide if it is rainy or sunny tomorrow. So it's a probability problem. Sometimes we can invest some money to the stock market, and we need to decide how much money we invest. And sometimes, why I say, can I be late tomorrow to go to the lab without punishment? It's also an uncertainty problem because it's hard to tell if my professor will be there in the morning. If he is there, I will be in punishment if he didn't see me there. So probability is a measure quantifying the likelihood that the events will occur. Probability means likelihood or chance. These three words, likelihood, chance, probability, sounds the same. So what's a likelihood? It's how certain we are about the occurrence of an event. For example, I would say the probability that tomorrow is rainy is 30%. It means the likelihood tomorrow is rainy is 30%. There's a 30% chance that tomorrow is rainy. Or I would like to say I'm 30% sure that tomorrow is raining. I can also show you some of the examples for the probability. The likelihood that number 87 bus at 12 p.m. tomorrow will be delayed is 100% because of this is a rush hour. And maybe the probability that I can get an A for this course is 0 because it is so difficult for me. I'm just joking. Probability is a number between 0 and 1, and it indicates uncertainty. It indicates how sure you think about an event. Sometimes probability can be computed in this way. It is the total number of ways achieving the target events divided by total number of possible outcomes. So let's think about if the probability of an event is equal to 0, it means the event will never happen. If it equals to 1, it means the event will always happen. If it equals to 0.5, I would like to say I'm only 50% sure that the event will happen. Finally, let's give an example about tossing two fair coins. I can divide it into two parts. Toss the first coin and then toss the second coin. So there are 4 possible outcomes. Head, 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 tail, tail, head, and tail, tail. The 4 probable outcomes have the same probabilities, and there's no other outcome. So the probability of each event is 0.25. Thank you.
Right, questions? I think because most people know probability pretty well, so we understand. Even I understand. Good example. I like that. Well, if any questions come up, I'll let you know. Good
job.
Okay,
thank you.